Hi guys, it's the end of January and it's been a very freezing January in Delhi. It's been really cold, and as much as I like winters, I just want them to end now. Like, I want to just get into my half sleeves t-shirts and my skirts. I'm tired of wearing like 4 layers every day and freezing at work. But all throughout January, these are things that I'm loving, and I thought I shall share them with you in this favorites of the month. The first one comes in this very fancy box. It was a gift from the Kama Ayurveda PR team, and I don't know, I like to just keep it like this in my drawing room. But once you see the candle inside, it's even prettier. Okay, effort. And it's like this shiny golden little container which has a scented candle inside, and this is the Mogra scented soy candle. And I'm a huge fan of scented candles. When I went to New York, I picked up, like, from Bath & Body Works, I got the pumpkin spice candle, I got this candle called Leaves, I got the Whistling Woods candle, and they just, I love all of those. Like the pumpkin spice candle, it makes my house smell of like cookies and Christmas and stuff. So even though I'm not a huge fan of this scent, I'm not a big Mogra scent fan, but this is so calming. Like when I kind of light this, it's just, you can actually feel yourself calm down because the scent is very kind of soothing and calming. And apart from that, it's just so pretty to look at. Like, it's something that I put on my drawing room side table. I think it looks really pretty over there because it's all gold and it's shiny, so I love it. I just think this is such a great gift as well if you want to give someone. It comes in a great box and it's very pretty to look at. So that's one of my favorites. The second thing that I really liked is again something I got from Innisfree. For those of you who don't know, Innisfree is actually a green makeup brand, so they're all organic products, environmental friendly. And what I love the most of Innisfree are the face masks that they have. So they've got these amazing face masks. So this one is It's Real Shea Butter Mask, and then they have the It's Real Manuka Honey Mask. They have the cucumber mask, there's one with some cocoa in it, and there's a kiwi mask. And I got about 10 to 12 of these as a Christmas present. And anytime, you know, when you come home from work some days and you just want to pamper yourself, all you need is to like just slather on this Innisfree mask. So far I've tried on their green tea serum mask, which is really nice if you have dry skin like mine. It like instantly gives you like just moisture boost. But I'm really looking forward to try the rest of these masks. They sound really good, and again I just think a nice little something to pick yourselves up, or you know, before you're going to a party, if you just want a quick 2-minute refresher, these are really good for that. The next thing are actually something that I spoke about on my blog a lot. I bought 2 of these. I don't know where the other one is, I can't seem to find it. But this one is the Maybelline Colour Show lipsticks. First of all, these are so cheap. These are $2.99, and you don't get too much for $2.99 these days. So at $2.99 you get a lipstick that's pigmented, it's long lasting, it's creamy, it's moisturizing. I don't know, I think these are amazing. This one is called Cream Caramel, and it's a very sort of almost a rust orange brown kind of a shade. And it's very natural, very terracotta kind of color on Indian skin tones. It looks really good. The other one I got is like a My Lips But Better color. I'm forgetting the name, so I'll probably link it down below. I've already reviewed it on my blog peachesandlush.com, so you can go check out the review over there, and I'll link down the name of that one below as well. And then since it's been the holiday season, it's incomplete without a really bright red lipstick. And the one I've really been loving this winter has been the L'Oreal Paris Pure Vermeil lipstick. I hope that's how you pronounce it. This is the Star Collection, and why I love this one is because it's not a true red. It's almost like a coral red, so it's got a bit of warmth to it when I put it. So I think it looks really nice on warmer skin tones. Let me just swatch it for you. So you see that it's not a fire engine red. I don't know if the camera is picking up, but it's more like a raspberry coral kind of a red. It's really pretty on our skin tone, so I'm loving this as well. And then finally, something I've been literally living in, and this is something I live in winters and in summers. I need to get like as many of these as possible. But these are the Victoria's Secret yoga pants, and I got this again. I keep referring to all these things that I bought when I went to New York, which is like more than a year ago. It's like I have a hangover of that place. But these are stretch pants, right? So these are just track pants which are really stretchy, and I love that they have this little lace detailing at the top, and they've got pink and rhinestones, which by the way I was very apprehensive that the minute I'm going to throw this for the wash, it's all going to come out, but it didn't. It stayed intact, so that's really cool. And plus these are so, like, you know, when you just want to wear something around the house and you don't really want to wear jeans around the house, so you can wear this, and even if you're heading out to do groceries, or you're just heading out quickly to go to a mall for something and you don't want to really dress up for it, you can just wear these with a t-shirt and you're good to go. So that's what I love about them. They're so effortless. And in winters, I just have a matching kind of cardigan that I put on top of this. It's like my pajamas or my, you know, all-day pants that I literally live in. So those are my favorites for January. If you've tried any of these things, then comment below and let me know. And if there's something else you think I should try, then let me know about that as well. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.